Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Welcome to another episode of James DIY Garage. I'm James. There's my 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. Yesterday afternoon, I was on the way home from work. Stopped at a red light. Traffic in front of me, traffic behind me. Light turns green. The traffic in front of me starts to go. I start to go. And then the traffic in front of me stops. I stop. But the guy behind me did not. And he hit me. Didn't hit me very hard, but hit me hard enough to do some damage. I will include the video of the impact in this video. So let me show you the damage of what happened. My car now has 101,722 miles on it. And the 17th of this month is the 7-year anniversary of me owning this car. So let me show you the damage. You can see here the trunk was hit. Eric will probably replace the trunk. The bumper has some deformations and scratches, some dents and scratches on it. So Eric will probably replace the bumper as well. There are some scratches on the diffuser that Eric can probably repair. I don't know if he'll repair those. But I don't see very much difference in the gaps. So I don't know if this is uneven here, but I don't know if that was there before, to be honest. Same over here. I don't know if that was uneven before. But the gaps here don't appear to be different than before. Maybe this was a little smaller. Maybe it was pushed over this way a little bit. Hard to tell. But they'll get that all ironed out over at Eric's place. This afternoon I'm going to be bringing it over to Eric's shop to get it get the damage estimated. Yes, I'm going to have it fixed over at Eric's shop. Fix Auto, Rockland, California. Remember that? Those of you in the Sacramento area, if you somebody rear ends you in your Maserati, or any car for that matter, in your car, please consider Fix Auto, Rockland for your repairs. The only reason I'm going to have this done over there is because the quality of work that comes out of his shop is second to none. I've seen vehicles go in there that have had the whole side of the car replaced. and when it came out, it looked like nothing happened to that car. It looked like brand new. Couldn't find any evidence whatsoever of that car ever having been worked on. That's the quality of their work. I mean, the paint job was flawless and it matched up perfectly. And well, you can see I've shown you guys the paintwork he did on my diffuser there and on the rocker panel down there. It's perfectly matched to the rest of the paint on my car, so they do an excellent job over there. So I highly recommend Fix Auto, Rockland, California for all of your vehicle auto body repairs. So let me show you the video evidence, or the video footage of the impact. Yeah, you saw my reaction just as that happened. The last video that was focused on me, you could tell that I saw it coming. When I'm in that situation where the light turns green and the cars in front of me start going, then they stop and I stop. I always look up in my rearview mirror to see what the guy behind me is going to do. And I've had some really close calls in the past where they've had to slam on their brakes before, and they've avoided hitting me. But I wasn't so lucky this time. The guy didn't catch it in time and he hit me. But he was a nice guy. I've been texting back and forth with him. I got his number, I got his insurance company. So lucky for me. He was really nice about it and owned up to it. And I've already put a claim into his insurance, and I've already brought the car over to Eric's Fix Auto in Rockland. They've already taken all the pictures, and we're waiting for the insurance company to send the claim package to Fix Auto Rockland so that I can bring my car in and they can start working on it. So the repairs will be in another video. I have 2 more videos coming up. The next video coming up is the 17th of this month is my 7-year anniversary of owning this car. We'll be doing a video on that, and the other video is I'm replacing the coolant reservoir tank on the car. This car is 10 years old. It's got over 100,000 miles on it, and you know, when they get that age and that many miles, the coolant reservoir tanks start to get old and brittle and crack and leak. Mine's not doing that yet, but this is fully proactive. I'm doing this because I don't want it to happen. Don't want my engine to overheat. Those of you who don't know, the engine block architecture on the V6 engine on our car is open deck, and they are highly susceptible to warpage if you overheat these engines. So if you own one of these cars with the V6 engine, do everything you can to prevent the car from overheating. If you notice your water temperature getting hot, pull over, call a tow truck. Do not drive the car. Do not risk overheating the engine, because that could cause you to have to buy a new engine. So that warped, the cylinders themselves will warp, and you aren't machining that's a new engine. There's no way around that. And good luck getting a good secondhand engine these days. I don't know if you guys watch the Car Wizard YouTube video, Hoovie's Garage. He bought a Maserati Ghibli, and the engine on that one had been overheated, and the block was warped, and they've been through 3 engines, I think it was. They got 3 engines from secondhand engines, and all 3 of them were bad, and I think he's still waiting for a good one. So he's still got a Ghibli in the Car Wizard's garage waiting for an engine. What a pain in the butt that is. I'm hoping I don't have to deal with that. So that's why I'm taking extremely good care of this engine. So, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button, because it brings me up in the ratings, and leave me some comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.